Editing portraits professionally takes a ridiculous amount of time. You spend hours fixing skin, removing wrinkles, correcting colors, cleaning up clothes, and then you still have to repeat the exact same process for every single image from the photo shoot. And even after all that effort, the results still don't always look consistent. But what if you could do all of that in just a few clicks? In this video, I'm going to test Kumu AI that can retouch portraits, remove blemishes and wrinkles, smooth clothes, apply the same edit to an entire photo shoot instantly, and even remove unwanted objects from images. We'll test all of these features step by step and see whether this workflow can actually save time while still delivering professional quality results. So, let's get started. Search for Kumu AI in your browser and open the first result. To download it, go to the Desktop Plans section, choose your system, and download it. After installation, open the software. You'll see a clean interface with projects and AI tools ready to start editing instantly. To import an image, I'll click on the Images button, and I have this image right here, so I'll import it. As you can see, the image has very rough skin texture. This is a photo of an older woman, and there are dark circles under her eyes, along with wrinkles all across her face. So we're going to fix all of that. For that, first click on Retouching. Then select the gender of the person in the image, although the software automatically detects and selects it most of the time. Under Remove Blemishes, I'm increasing the Acne Remover face slider, so the pimples and skin imperfections on the face become cleaner and smoother. And now, I'm increasing Acne Remover Body so the marks and uneven texture on the body skin also look clean and polished. Along with that, I'll fully increase body blemishes as well. Now, to remove the forehead wrinkles, I'll increase this slider to 100% so the wrinkles disappear completely. I'll also remove the dark circles under the eyes. And to remove the wrinkles around the eyes, I'll increase Wrinkle Around Eyes to 100%. As you can see, the dark circles and wrinkles are now gone. Next, I'll remove the cheek lines so the facial skin looks completely smooth. At the same time, I'll smooth out the smile lines by increasing this slider as well. Now let's adjust the lip lines. At 100%, the lips look a bit too smooth, so I'll reduce it to 70%, which looks much better. To remove the double chin, I'll set this slider to 100% too, and I'll also remove the neck wrinkles. Now I'll close the Remove Blemishes section and move to the Skin section. Here, I'll increase Natural Gray Leveling. After that, I'll increase Natural Gray Contour to around 30%. After doing this, you can already see that the photo has improved significantly. Now I'll increase AI Retouch Face to 85% and slightly increase the brightness as well. You can now see the before and after of this photo, and in my opinion, the improvements are massive. There's also a face reshape option where we can slightly increase the V shape to make the jawline more defined. Besides that, there are many more options available for different parts of the face and body, and by playing around with them, you can create some really impressive results. Now, I'll move into the eyes section and brighten the eyes slightly. The eyes already look much brighter and better now. If your model has redness in the eyes, you can remove it from here as well. Under Catchlight, you can even change the eye lenses if you want. And surprisingly, they look very realistic and not fake at all. You can choose whichever style you like. I'll select the Oxygen one because it looks pretty good. You can also adjust its intensity from here. Now you can clearly see how smooth the face and body skin has become. All the blemishes and imperfections are gone. Here you can see the before and after comparison. And if I switch to Compare mode, the difference becomes even more obvious. The improvement is very significant, especially considering that none of this required any complicated editing. One of its best features is batch processing. For example, I'll import 3 more photos of the same person. Now, if I want to apply the exact same edits to these 3 images as well, it can be done very easily. I'll select the first image, hold Shift, and select the last image so all the images get selected together. Then, I'll click on the Sync button in the bottom right corner and simply press Confirm. As you can see, processing has now started, and within a few moments the results are ready. You can see that the same edits have now been applied to all 3 images automatically, which is an incredibly useful feature. You can edit just one image from an entire photo shoot and then apply the same edit to all the remaining photos instantly. To export any image, simply select it and click the Export button in the top right corner, then click Export again, and the image will be saved to your selected folder. Another amazing feature in this software is that you can remove wrinkles from clothes and smooth out fabric textures as well. For example, I have this photo here. The face and skin look fine already, but the wrinkles on the clothes look a bit messy. To fix them, we'll move into the Cloth Retouching tab and increase the intensity of Remove Cloth Wrinkles Pro to 100%. As soon as we do that, you can see that all the uneven wrinkles disappear and the dress instantly looks much cleaner and more professional. Now you can also notice some edges here that feel a bit odd, but we can fix those too. For that, we'll go into Smooth Edges and increase the intensity. Now the edges look much smoother as well. Here you can see the before and after comparison. The dress now looks much better. To improve it even more, we'll go back into the Retouching menu and move to the Body section. Here you can reshape the body. As you can see, the body now looks slightly slimmer. Besides that, if you want to appear taller, you can use the AI height option. There are many more controls available too. You can increase or decrease head size, make the body slimmer, reduce waist size, increase or decrease the hip size, adjust neck size, fix uneven shoulders, tone the shoulders, increase or reduce chest size, and even decrease belly size. There are many more options available from where you can fully customize your model's body. Now, in the comparison view, you can clearly see the before and after. In the original image, there were a lot of wrinkles on the dress that looked strange, but now they've been fixed. We even corrected the edges and customized the body exactly the way we wanted. This is an extremely powerful feature, especially if you work professionally. Another amazing feature we get here is AI color transfer, which allows you to transfer the colors and overall tone of any image onto another image. We're going to apply it to this image right here. For that, first go into Color Adjustment. Here you'll find the AI Color Transfer option. Let's click on Try Now. Now it is opened up. Here you'll also find some built-in presets that you can use to transfer colors onto your image. For example, I want to transfer the colors of this image onto my current image, so I'll click on it. And as you can see, the colors have now been transferred onto our image. Below that, you get some adjustment options where you can increase or decrease the intensity according to your preference. You can also adjust the colors and tone however you like. Now you can see the before and after result. Besides that, if you already have an image and want to transfer its colors onto another image, you can do that as well. For that, move into the Mine tab. Here you can see all the images that I had previously uploaded, and I can transfer their colors onto my current image too. For example, if I want to transfer the colors of this image, I'll click on it, and as you can see, the colors are instantly applied. We can also adjust these settings according to our needs. Now, if I want to upload a completely new image and transfer its colors, I'll click on Import, then click on Images, and upload my image from here. As soon as the image is uploaded, I'll click on it, and you can see that the colors from that image have now been applied to our current image. To make it look a little better, I'll slightly reduce the intensity and fine-tune the colors a bit. Now you can see the before and after comparison. Our image now has a much more cinematic color tone. Another amazing feature available here is the Object Remover. As you can see, I have this perfect shot, but there's a cameraman in the frame ruining the overall look. To remove him, first move into the AI tab and click on the Export button. Here, many different tools will appear, and from them, we'll select AI Removal. The AI will automatically scan the image and show us multiple options. From there, we simply choose the object we want to remove. I've enabled the People toggle button. Now, the AI automatically detects and selects the person we want to remove. After that, we simply click on Generate. After waiting just a few seconds, the result is ready. As you can see, the cameraman has been completely removed from the image without any distortion. This is another extremely useful feature that you can use to make your photos look more professional. Besides that, there are many more tools and options available here as well, such as color adjustment, where you can perform color correction on your photos, change the background of any image, remove wrinkles from clothes, crop and rotate photos, and much more. So this is Kumu AI, a powerful photo retouching software designed specifically for portrait editing and batch processing. The link is available in the description, so definitely give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this.